For us, it's like a one-stop, there's multiple IDs. So you can sit down different IDs to get different ideas.
And also all the information that we've received from the various different IDs and ideas to be able to renovate our home.
Anybody who's planning to renovate their house have a better option and better choice and better quotes to get in one day and in one place.
So when we saw it on Facebook and Instagram, we found the event very exciting, and we actually heard about Renopedia on Facebook and Instagram.
We found in social media, Facebook and Instagram, they are always promoting this advertisement.
And we decided to come here today because we are looking to renovate our home. We found the event very useful because there were lots of different IDs and also a lot of different home furnishings such as couches, and so we were very excited to come here to Renopedia.
We decided to come to this event because of getting a new house soon. So we are thinking to design for our dream house. So coming here will get more expert advice, also free quotes.
I think the biggest thing that we've benefited is all the free gifts that we have gotten, and also all the information that we've received from the various different IDs and ideas to be able to renovate our home.
For us, it's like a one-stop, there's multiple IDs. So you can sit down different IDs to get different ideas. And we are glad to have chosen one of the IDs for our house.
The biggest benefit that we have is getting to know our house can be designed in different ways, and also to save some costs, or even getting new products, or like even furniture, or getting the wardrobe or the design of the kitchen.
Yeah, and some advice from the ID. Yeah.
So we met Glenda from Conquest, and we are very excited to work with her as our ID.
She showed many different ideas and ways, and we are glad to choose her.
In total, we met 3 IDs.
And I found this Jerry guy is quite funny, and giving idea is quite good also as well.
I think the most important renovation tip that I would like to share is really knowing what you want in your reno and really understanding all the different aspects of the functionality of your home, so that you're not only designing your home based on the design but also the functionality as well.
I think the renovation tips have to be given by the experts from the interior design.
Yes, it's definitely a big help because I think we have been to other events before, but this is the first event that we came where there was a lot of freebies, and we managed to sign with Conquest, so we are very excited to be here. Yeah.
Definitely, we would like to see more of this and benefit from this. We also share it with our friends and families.
Thank you, Renopedia.
Thank you, Renopedia. See you at the next Interior Madness Carnival sale.
Couldn't make it this time? Don't worry, our biggest and final event of the year is happening on 22nd and the 23rd of November at MegaHome. Mark your calendar. See you there.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.